Okay. No, but somebody wanted, actually this question, somebody wanted to know. Was there a point in your life, because you're very successful, and you are one of the most powerful celebrities in this country, and you're also one of the sexiest, and one of the most beautiful stars in 2011.
Yeah.
One of those beautiful stars. Tumabang ka, Marco?
Tumatanda. Tumatanda. You tend to look for quality,
Pero sa tingin mo,
nagiging ano ka lang, rasyonable.
bakit pag bata medyo okay lang?
I said tumatanda ka sa business na to,
Right.
tumatanda ka sa edad mo, so
Okay.
natututo ka, nagkakaroon ka na ng konsepto mo kung ano yung para sa'yo at hindi para sa'yo.
And because you have that concept, do you plan for it? Do you expect people to give that to you? Ano ang perspektiba?
Tinatry mo na makuha. Because, alam mo kasi, yun yung tingin mo na tama, so yun yung susundan mo.
Okay. Yan ang trabaho. Pag-usapan natin ang pag-ibig. Halimbawa na, kung meron kang isang leksyon sa pag-ibig na bawang araw-araw sa iyong buhay, ano yan?
Never be afraid.
Never be afraid.
Malam ka. Follow your heart. Other words.
That's very, di ba? Follow your heart. Kung saan ko lang tatawa, kasi sundin mo ang puso. Proseso bilang actor, I've always been interested. Ano yun? I mean, do you read the script? Do you discuss with directors? Paano yun?
And yung ganun, of course, kasama yun. You have to be ready na kung hindi ka pwedeng lumugar or ilugar yung sarili mo sa set na hindi ka handa. Basta ako lagi lang, sana dapat, lagi lang sincere. Sana, kumakit muna sa akin para tumatak sa iba.
Because it's very hard, yung authenticity, yung sincerity, because you're doing it in front of the camera. You know what I'm saying? So para sa artista, it's a craft, it's an art. Dahil paano ka magiging sincero? Halimbawa, ginagawa mo isang bagay sa harap ng tao at sa harap ng camera. Is that a different kind of sincerity, or is sincerity?
It's still acting, di ba? It's still acting.
That's what I'm saying.
It's still acting. Pero you have to make it come from a place na sincere mong ilalabas sistema mo.
Okay. That's why it's not easy. Parating sinasabi ko po,
It's never easy.
It's never easy to be an actor. Okay, gamit-gamit ang mga titulo ng iyong mga pelikula. Narito ang ilang mga katanong. Close to you. Name 3 people closest to you. Sige nga.
Oh my goodness.
Subok lang.
Okay. Naisip ko si Cathy Garcia. Cathy Garcia Molina.
This is your 7th collaboration. Unofficially yours. Direct. Alright.
That's one. And then, people from Star Cinema.
Okay, collectively.
And then, all the people who adore their movies.
Alright. One more chance. Hindi ako nag-adlib doon, hindi ako nag-follow up kung nasaan si Shaina. But I should not be saying that. One more chance. If you'll give someone one more chance, sino?
Sa aspeto na gusto ko siyang makatrabaho at mabigyan kami ng chance ulit na magkasama sa isang palabas. Si Kuya Bal.
Oh. Okay, a very special love. Name a person who deserves a very special love from you.
My mother.
You changed my life. Who changed the life of John Lloyd Cruz?
Not just my life, but the life of my family, my whole family. Si Ma'am Charo at saka si Sir FMG.
I miss you like crazy. Who do you miss like crazy now? Habang tayo nag-uusap.
Santi, my dog.
Unofficially yours. Who is officially yours?
Ang daming units na
I'm just really happy. If you're watching, Shayna, you know you have my love and respect. Talk about the movie, Unofficially Yours.
Yep. Well, malapit na siya ipalabas. Next week.
Okay.
Feb 15 to be exact. And it's a very complex movie. Nahirapan kami dito. Talagang pinaghirapan namin to. Hindi siya madaling ikwento. Nanggagaling siya sa POV ng dalawang characters na ang daming kailangan matutunan. Yung isa, akala niya tama yun. Medyo mahirap ipaliwanag sa akin. Pero very, very, very interesting, a very rare kind of story.
Paglabas ko sa sinihan, nakangiti ba ako? Nagtatanong ba ako? Masaya ba ako? Uuwi ba ako at hahalikan ko ang aking asawa? Makikipaghiwalay ba ako? Anong take out ko? Hirap.
Well, sana magawa namin na lumalabas yung mga tao na nakangiti
Okay.
and sulit sa kanila. Yung 2 oras na nilagi nila doon, kumbaga parang nadala namin sila sa mundo ng 2 characters na to.
Well, I tell you, I mean, a lot of people are excited. I am excited. I mean, a lot of people I know are excited about this movie. So, that's February 15, 14, I know you have a premiere.
Meron kaming premiere night sa SM Mega Mall Cinemas, 9 and 10.
Okay.
Sana dalhin niyo po ang date niyo. Meet your father, your mother,
That's-
kahit sino po. Nandiyan kami ng 7 p.m. Kasama yung buong cast. So, red carpet premiere po yan.
Alright.
But yung mga gusto, hindi mo kailangan mag-gown, or Amerikana.
Yeah. Come as you are. Narito ang ilang mga pangalan. Just one word. Just one word. Kaya ba?
Very simple.
Bea Alonzo.
Always intriguing.
Claudine Barreto.
Superior.
Sara Geronimo.
Entertaining.
Tony Gonzaga.
Versatile.
Angel Oxin.
Sexy.
Luis Manzano.
Ay!
Kiss or hug? Romance or comedy?
Romance.
Dream wedding.
Tagaytay.
Favorite line in one of your movies?
Oh. Well, you had me at my best. She loved me at my worst, but you chose to break my heart.
On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, how happy are you now?
10, perfectly.
If you could be if you are an ice cream flavor, what would it be and why?
Siguro vanilla.
Why?
Pwede siyang stand on its own, and
Pwede
pwede
rin.
rin samahan mo ng iba.
That's true.
And it's a flavor na talagang babalik-balikan.
Lady, if you were to switch bodies with a certain celebrity here in the Philippines, kaninong katawan ang gusto mong tao?
Katawan, like yung...
Like body, yes. Sexy body.
Gusto kong maramdaman yung pakiramdam. Hindi ko alam kung anong pakiramdam ng isang Piolo Pascual na talaga.
Na gano'n.
Oo, di ba? Parang, sabi ko, ganda ng katawan mo. Ganda ng katawan mo, ah. Pero pag napanood mo itong movie namin, ingat, baka maging pakiramdam mo parang so-so lang yung katawan mo.
Kasi dito ho, marami pakikita dito.
No, pero gusto ko talaga, ano kaya ang feeling nun, no? The boy, no? Ganun yung katawan mo.
That's true. Tapusin natin dyan. Lloydie, maraming salamat. It's always fun talking to you.
Salamat.
Salamat.
Salamat sa Bandila. Salamat.
John Lloyd Cruz, ikaw na.
Thank you po. Ikaw na.